Namaste friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Today we are going to discuss about Nifty 50 future. What is the information from market profile, and the date is 3rd August. 3rd August, time is 8:20 a.m. Okay, so let's have some discussion. So this is again if we are a new viewer, you don't know what is the structure, but our students and the old subscriber of this particular channel, they know what is the structure. Okay, purely this is a profit booking, or what to say, stop loss hitting, whatever name you want to say you can give, but this is a poor structure yesterday also. But if you go to the candlestick, there will be a good red candle formation, so the people are ready to wait for a shorting. Okay, today also all the retailers or beginners or option buyers, they are planned for a short, but that is good. But when, where, and what is the target, this is we are going to discuss now. Let's have a quick review. Open is equal to high. Again, this is this area market how to clear. Open is equal to high. Okay, number one. So if market opening flat, okay, please keep this information very important. Okay, this value area low, that means 19,550 40 level. You can make it 30 itself. Okay, no problem. So this value area low is a short term demand zone. This value area low, that means 19,550 550 to 550, you can mark 550, that could be the right thing. 50 to 30, that 20 points. Okay, that is a demand zone if market opening flat. Okay, so if market opening flat, where is the supply zone? If market opening flat and moving up, the supply zone is, you know very well, where again this person POC and VPOC. This is a simple thing. If you are trading in go charting, you can mark this also. See, these are the simple calculation. This is a VP zone, volume profile. Okay, that means most of the people interested on the particular price 19,620 level. That means 75% of the people very much interested yesterday on this particular price. That means this price had more transaction. Many people buy and sell done in this price level 19,620. Very simple. So this level have soul. Still there is a soul. Okay, Atma hai usme. Okay, so and POC means point of control again. So the time and the price also in the same level. VPOC will give you the price action, whatever the price discussion was happened there, whatever the price given and taken there, and the point of control will provide you the time. This is a market profile, TPO, time price opportunity. This POC also will give you the information this time. So all the time yesterday the people are much interested. See, there is a good transaction was happened in this particular level. That means 1 2 3.5 hours. Okay, yesterday the 3.5 hours market more spent in this particular price level 19,620. Simple. Okay, so if market open flat, this territory work as a supply, this territory work as a demand. So as a retail option buyer, what you have to do? This is a non-trading zone. This is a non-trading zone. Don't buy any PE, don't buy any CE. Okay. Once market get acceptance above this, the direct target is this person. Okay. That means 730 to 760. 730 to 760 is a target for the upside today. If market opening flat, okay, if market, one second, if market opening flat, any acceptance on the previous day low, at least the 19,530 below, you can go for a P. What is the target? That is the important. That is the important. Still, this area market how to visit. Here है ना, इधर है ना. This particular poor buying. This is weaker hands buying. This territory. So, इधर 19,415 ये होगा आपका टारगेट. इधर होगा आपका टारगेट. इधर आना चाहिए. मार्केट तो इधर आना ही चाहिए. ओके, सो 19,415 is a downside target and upside target. See up ये तो इधर acceptance मिलेगा तो here this below value area, then we can come down 19,415. If above this POC 19,730 760 is our target. Very simple. If market opening inside this particular zone, please keep this information in back of the mind. Okay, if market opening above this particular POC, then that rejection could be there, then we can go for a this particular level. Okay, so if gap up, gap down below this particular area, then rejection and the target. Very simple. So plan your trade accordingly. Whatever you learned in the market, okay, please apply in the live market. So we discussed about the level and their soul, how they work, everything. So implement with your ingredient. Okay, so the ingredient whatever you have. For example, some people I am very much interested to have curd rice. Some people very much interested on the biryani. So same curd rice you can serve in the different manner. The plain curd rice you can serve, or you can add some fruits inside the curd rice and you can have, or so whatever you want ingredients. Some pickles you have for a side dish for a curd rice, same thing. So biryani itself, some people love the vegetable biryani, some people love chicken biryani, right? So there will be a plain biryani, nothing. Inside there, no vegetables, no chicken, nothing. That is called nature. In Kerala, we call it as a nature. Okay. So that is what we are saying. But we are decided that going to have a biryani or curd rice. But how? What type of curd rice? So the person to person will differ. So whatever you learned in terms of candlestick, chart pattern, indicators, whatever works for you, you add, you put into the live market, analyze, observe, then take a entry. Thank you very much. Have a profitable day. Thank you very much.